Hello, my name is Cindy Shepard, and we're going to be talking today about the pelvic floor and all of the structures involved. So to start, we'll start with the pelvic girdle. So you have your sacrum here in the back. This sacrum is the bottom portion of your spine, and this pointy part is your coccyx, or some people call your tailbone. The pubic bone here in the front actually keeps these two larger bones together, and these two larger bones are your pelvis, otherwise known, maybe some people like saying, I put my hands on my hips. You're actually putting your hands on your innominate bones. And this pubic bone here holds these two structures together. This hole in the bottom allows all of the structures to be able to exit your body, including your pee and your poop. The first layer of the pelvic floor is a muscular grouping. First one is the bulbospongiosis, this yellow U here. This allows for vaginal closure and also helps with erection of the clitoris. Some people may call it your fun button, or the thing that gives you pleasure during sex. It's on the outside of your vagina in like a little bulb form. A very sensitive structure. And this ischiocavernosus, this orange here, actually helps in assisting with the erection of that little bulb or your clitoris. This structure here is your superficial transverse perineum, and this actually helps hold those structures together and be able to support that pelvic floor. This springy object here is your rectum. This is actually where poop comes out of. It's that bottom portion of your large intestine, and your poop comes out of your anus here at the bottom, and it's actually controlled by this black muscle here called the external anal sphincter. This helps close your rectum and allows you to control whenever you poop. The next layer here is your second layer. This orange structure in the back here is actually your deep transverse perineal, and this actually helps support the pelvic floor as well. And then you have your urethrovaginal sphincter here, which helps with closure of your vagina and of your pee hole. So within your pee hole, you'll have your urethra, which is this red line structure here, which is the tube that your pee actually comes out of. And the pee is held in this green structure here called your bladder. When your bladder gets full, you'll have the sensation of needing to pee. You'll pee out this tube and out your pee hole, and it is actually controlled by the urethrovaginal sphincter. The vagina, on the other hand, comes out the second hole, and this is where the penis will actually enter the body, is here in the vagina, and may go the whole way up to the cervix, and past the cervix is your uterus, where creation of a baby may happen, or the uterine lining, the lining on the outside of the uterus or the inside of the uterus will shed, creating your period. The fallopian tubes are here in green, and this is actually where the egg will travel into your uterus and get ready to be penetrated by sperm in order to create a child. And those eggs are stored here in these two little balls called ovaries. The other muscle here involved with the second layer is the compressor urethra, this blue structure here. And just like the word, it helps compress that urinary hole and allows you to be able to close this hole here and help control your pee a little better. The third and final layer here is the levator ani. So this orange U here is your puborectalis. This muscle helps you control your poop and allows you to elevate this rectum here and control poop from falling out of your body. This pubococcygeus here helps elevate all of the structures like your vagina, your ureter, and your rectum, and helps control those structures as the muscle contracts, and it actually allows you to help control your bladder much better. And then the ileococcygeus, the structure here on the outside, also assists in pulling all those structures up and forward and allowing for pelvic floor muscle contraction, or for you to hold those muscles tight in order to also control your bladder and your rectum, and from relieving yourself in your pants. Thank you for coming, and I appreciate your time.